Presenting a pre-owned 2010 GMC Yukon. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 104,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, OnStar, and Bluetooth.